Hey everybody, welcome back to Kendra's Makeup Academy, where today we're going to talk about concealer and how to pick the right one. I want to give you some tips on choosing the right color of concealer for the right reasons. You may want to brighten, color correct, or you may want to conceal. To brighten, a lot of people will brighten under their eyes, a highlight effect, or to lift parts of your face. You're going to choose a color that is 1 to 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. So if your skin tends to have yellow undertones, you would choose something that is neutral to slightly warm. And if your skin tone has pink undertones, you would choose something that is neutral to slightly pink. If you want to color correct, so this would be for people that have dark under eye circles, redness, or discoloration that foundation doesn't cover. A lot of people instantly go to a yellow concealer or a green concealer for this. And I'm going to give you the tip that I learned in makeup school that I still use today, and that is the Bears play the Vikings at Christmas. What? So I'm talking about the color wheel. If you have ever seen a color wheel, I'll pop one on the screen right now. Colors opposite on the color wheel will neutralize each other. So if you have redness that you want to cover, something that is green is on the opposite side of the color wheel is going to neutralize red. That's the Christmas part of the equation I was just talking about. If you want to cover blue under eye circles, something on the orange spectrum is going to help conceal blue. That's right. Many of you have been using yellow under eye concealer for blue undertones. And let me just tell you, when you mix blue and yellow together, you get green. So that's where you get the Bears part of the equation. Blue and orange are the Bears colors. If you have purple that you want to cover, you're going to choose a more yellow undertone. So each concealer typically has an undertone, and you would apply this concealer for color correction under your foundation that will help neutralize the discoloration, neutralize blue, neutralize red, or neutralize purple, and will even up that skin tone so when you put foundation on top of it, it looks fully covered. The third reason you would need a concealer is to conceal. This would be for blemishes that don't quite get covered well with foundation, or maybe some discoloration that doesn't necessarily need color corrected, but needs a little bit additional coverage. In this case, you're going to want to choose a color that matches your skin tone as close as possible. Chances are you'll need 2 to 3 different concealer colors to achieve the results that you're looking for. This is where it can get really confusing and where having a Limelight Beauty Guide comes into play. Ask your Limelight Beauty Guide to help you choose a concealer that will help achieve the results that you're looking for. So thank you so much for attending this episode of Kendra's Makeup Academy, and I'll see you next time.